and good afternoon. It's 31st of December. We are less than 12 hours from New Year Eve, and right now we are in Perumedu, which is one of the place that you pass through while going to Thekkady. That's where we are heading. We are just 20 kilometers from our destination. And to give an update, yesterday we stayed in Alapi. We had a break yesterday, much needed break, and a very nice one. It was relaxing. And today morning 8 o'clock we left for Thekkady. And we are pretty close to tea plantations now. I think they should be starting pretty soon now, and the temperature is also quite cooler compared to how it was like probably an hour or 2 hours early, like around 9 o'clock. At that time it was humid and hot. Right now it's a very pleasant climate, although it's mid-afternoon. So this is clearly an indication that we are close to tea plantations. So this is so we have 4 days from tomorrow to reach home. We'll be starting our return journey from Thekkady. The stay from there, there's 15 kilometers for Tamil Nadu border, and once we enter Tamil Nadu, I think it's all plains, no more ghats. So that's the reason we chose this location. To give an idea about the whole trip right now, let me see. So we have almost done 3,000 kilometers. We are just 30 kilometers short. And our return journey is almost 1,600 kilometers, which will start tomorrow. The plan is to head towards Dindigul and Tamil Nadu, then go towards Bangalore. From Bangalore, enter Maharashtra, then Solapur, Beed, all those places, and from there we'll be entering Sillod, Ajanta, Jilgaon. So that's the route which we'll be taking. And now that we have, so there it is, tea estates. Very first glimpse. So this is our first glimpse of tea estate, and it's just starting. Next 25 to 30 kilometers, it's all tea estates now. I don't know if we'll get a chance to do a tour today. We did had plan, but right now the priority is to reach hotel. We had a nice breakfast at the Alapi homestay. We had some puttu and chana curd, peas curd. Tea estates, more tea estates. Kallu's restaurant. There's a lot of bakery, brewery, cafe, and tea plantation. You can book visits or just walk in and get a tour of tea production here. There are a few famous outlets as well, where you can get tea packets right from the factory outlet. Now look at this coffee bar. Bikers as soon as I turn on the GoPro. Petrol wise, I think petrol wise also we are fine. It's doing an average of 24-25 which is more than enough, considering all the luggage setup. That's really nice. Yeah, considering all the luggage setup, and I had the service done before the ride, so that also helped. Yeah, just this is breathtaking. I know people usually go to Munnar. This place is less famous, Thekkady, compared to Munnar. People like to enjoy these things in that region more. We did met few people who were going to Munnar from Solapur, Pune, and at this point, once we came to Alapi, there was a couple. They were also going to Thekkady, and coincidentally, that's a place I also wanted to visit. Like, we wanted to visit this one. It's a little isolated compared to more famous tourist destinations like Munnar, Ooty, Chinnar, all those things. So far it's been worth it. Like, coming here, I think this is how we wanted our last touristy spot to be, a more secluded, isolated place. New Year's Eve, I don't know, I don't think there is much crowd here for the New Year. Maybe they prefer some other spots, like the homestay manager. They were saying that if you go to Kochi, you will find a lot of crowd. Yeah, something has happened. Accident. This type of accident happens due to impatient riders. This is the fourth or fifth accident we have seen, and I'm 100% or 99% sure the Innova that went off road was due to either impatient driver or that truck that was loaded back there. I think it was trying to avoid that truck. So one of those things. So two things: if you see a truck in ghats, don't overtake, don't rush. Second thing, if you are on your own, don't become impatient with the curves, turns. If there is traffic, there is no point of overtaking unless it's safe. And being on a car in this type of road, it's definitely not safe to overtake. But the drivers who do this route, I think they are a lot bolder when it comes to overtakes. I'm not sure if that's the right thing to do, but then that kind of things happen, what we saw back there. Buses, you have to give way for buses, government buses, private buses, whatever it is. That's we also saw one pink government bus that was caught in an accident, and the front was totally gone. It was being towed in the ghats. So nothing is safe here. That's the summary. And if you are planning to cover a distance, just reduce it. Like, if your capacity is 400, do maximum 200 or 150 here. You cannot do 300 kilometers in this type of roads. Plan your brakes. That's one more thing. Take break if you have been traveling, like you have done 10 kilometers, 15 kilometers. That's more than enough in this type of terrain. Okay, so after this town we still have 5 kilometers to go, 5.3. Airoh tea estates. Okay, so this one is really nice if you want to get a tour of the tea plantation and the production. This Konnamera. I read the reviews on Google. It's more calmer. They give you more time, explain things. At least most of the reviews were good. Konnamera tea factory outlet. There is one on the right side, and this road I think goes to that tea plantation. Thank you. Ertiga. Vendi Periyar. Periyar is the, I think, district also here. This whole thing comes under Periyar district. Oh, yeah, I can see bus. Wow, in Hindi, Periyar. Wow, yeah, first time we have seen a local bus having Hindi names of the places. Wow, we are so close to, I think this is that Konnamera tea plantation. I think it's their area. Nadu spices. I've seen this word a lot of places that's used. Malanadu tea. We had a tea as well somewhere near Chikmagalur. Before Chikmagalur or Shivamogga. We had a Malanadu tea. We asked them what's speciality about that tea. They mentioned it's just named after some region, I guess, something like that. Yeah, a lot of spices are produced here that is exported all the different regions in India. It's a hub. Tourists, they are taking them somewhere. Chennai chips and spices. I wonder why there is a Chennai chips. Just a joke. Okay, so we are pretty close to our destination. That's all for today. If I have something worth recording, I'll show you. Bye.